Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have an administrator account and saved work. Otherwise, you can lose progress. Once ready, press Start, type Create a Restore Point, and open that Control Panel entry to jump straight in. You want the System Protection tab visible. This is where Windows exposes restore settings. If your system drive is off, make sure to enable protection now so restore points can be created. This initial setup ensures Windows will actually record the snapshot you're about to make. Once done with configuration, select your system drive, typically C, and click Configure. You should set a reasonable max disk usage, around 5 to 10%, so points don't consume all space. Make sure protection is turned on. After closing that dialog, click Create, type a descriptive name like Before Update 2026-01-04, and confirm. You'll see a progress bar as Windows Snapshot System Files and Registry. This step both records the state and explains why. You finish by waiting for the confirmation dialog that the restore point was created, then close all windows and restart if Windows suggests it. To verify, open System Restore and choose a different restore point to see the entry you made. If creation fails, make sure you have enough free disk space and temporarily disable third-party antivirus that may block snapshot operations. Also rerun the process from an elevated admin account. These checks resolve most problems and keep your restore workflow reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.